So you can use a regular old hammer drill. Just make sure it's set to hammer drill. You don't have to use Ryobi, you can use whatever you want, but that's what I use. And in fact, I'm gonna use this. This is a rotary hammer. It takes SDS plus bits, and it's just stronger, faster. So that'll stop when I drill. It'll stop on the concrete and tell me that I am there. Let's drill those holes. So when you do this, go nice and easy. Don't push too hard with the drill. That's another way that this concrete can blow out on you. So just let the drill do the work. And this is a pretty big hole with a pretty small bit, so you don't have to be dead center, but try and get as centered as possible, and then drill your holes. Get it started. It's also a brand new bit, which is what you want when you're doing this. If it's dull, I wouldn't even use it. Go get another one. You'll have all kinds of problems. I just went right through. Now on these precast stairs, this section is only about 2 inches thick, so sometimes you will go right through, which is what I did here, but that's not a big deal because this bit is smaller, so you just lightly tap it into place, and then as you tighten it, it'll expand and stay where it needs to be. It might make it easier to get these started if you use a center punch right in the center. Give it a little tap, and that'll give a place for the drill bit to ride as it gets started. Not too hard, again, don't want to break that concrete.